Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and we have today the VBM Lollo 1 Group Espresso Machine, and we're going to show you how easy it is to access the inside. Basically, take the cup warmer grate off, have a Phillips head screwdriver. There are two screws that are up right here. Take these two screws out, and basically the top panel comes right off. It's probably one of the easiest machines to take the panel off. See this white film? That comes off on a brand new machine. We suggest that you remove it before use, and then on the inside you will have access. That's a nice quick way to get inside your machine. As I always say, coffee first, everything else second, except follow us and share us on social media. All our channels, thumbs up. Thank you very much and have a great day.